Hey Weeders, it's Elle here, and I've got a quick question for you. At work, do you ever find yourself repeating the same information over and over, maybe to new people, maybe to the same person, but just find yourself like answering the same questions and talking about the same things? Well, I'm here to tell you that there is a better way to do it. Enter Weet. Now you can record your information in succinct, time efficient little bite sized videos, and you can share them with as many people as you want. So as an example, here's one I made, and I can share this video with as many people as I want. And if I have to update anything, I can simply here, watch, I'll show you. I can move sections around. I can delete old sections if some information becomes outdated. So really, Weet video messaging is like the perfect way to share knowledge quickly within your organization. And even better yet, you can really show what you're talking about thanks to the screen share and webcam at the same time. So we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thank you so much and happy weeding.